Mermaid, walking up the stairs up the 3rd floor at Fisherville Senior Public School, you'll notice a beautiful huge mermaid mural swimming up the wall. Did you know that it was painted all the way back in 2017? Made by Shobi and Devu, two Fisherville students, during the last 2 weeks of school. As people were busy talking about their summer plans, packing up suitcases for vacations, these two decided to put aside the suitcases and flip-flops and create a Fisherville's history.
This mermaid mural shows a deep underwater surrounded by fish, coral, and ocean blues. But what makes it compelling is that she's reaching upwards towards the light, which is supported by a real skylight above the staircase. So the whole scene is lit naturally. The symbolism somewhat represents us, how we strive upward for our goals, hopes, and dreams. So what do you think she's reaching for?
The brushstrokes are dynamic, full of motion, representing that everything is floating or flowing. It's not just a sight for sore eyes, it moves. Thanks to Shobi and Devu, this empty, ordinary, and boring staircase has turned into underwater dreamscape. It's creative, inspiring, and honestly kind of makes you want to take the stairs more often. Not every school can say they've got a magical mermaid guiding them to class.